So let me tell you how we got here. Last week, me and my boy Doug went to New York City to experience Cat's Pastrami for the first time. I personally thought it was fantastic. But to be fair, this is the first pastrami sandwich. I mean, when I say pastrami, I mean like actual, real pastrami, not that crap you buy at the store. This was the first actual pastrami that I've had. We're sitting there, and I said, Doug, how was it? He said, it was good. I said, what do you mean it was good? That was great. He said, yeah, I think Magee's is better. And I was like, what's Magee's? He's like, well, it's this place in LA. I was like, what? And it turns out that actually this is a thing in LA too. I thought it was in New York City. I didn't know. So I had some air miles. I'm like, okay, I'm doing nothing. You're doing nothing. Why don't we go to LA and see? We're going to find out who actually has the best pastrami. Today we're going to try to hit 3. Magee's, Johnny's, and Wexler's. That's the plan. Alright, so we're at our first stop, Johnny's. Now, this comes pretty highly recommended, so without further ado, let's get in, let's get this thing ordered. These are pickles. Let's see how they compare. Oh, well, good. That is good.
We got the classic Johnny's pastrami sandwich. Nothing on it, just straight up meat bread.
Yep.
I don't know, that bread looks pretty good.
You gonna put some the regular mustard?
I'm gonna go straight in first, and then I'm gonna go. This is their house. It's kind of a hot mustard.
All right,
So I'm gonna go in like this naked, and then I'm gonna try it with that.
All right, go. Don't rank it yet.
So it's different because it's thin sliced.
Yeah.
It's not rye. So it'll be different. It'll be a different one than all the other ones we do. But the flavor on it's good.
All right.
Flavor on it's good.
All right, so I'm going in with the spicy mustard. Very different. Man, I kind of like it. All right, Johnny's is pretty good. I ain't gonna lie. So now we're going to Magee. We're gonna see what this is about. So the cool thing I like about Magee's here is you actually come, after you order, you walk down to the carving station and you can see it all be done. They got corned beef, pastrami, turkey, and some stuff, ham, I think it's what it is. Here's a pastrami.
Alright, man. This is it.
Alright.
Look how like moist it is.
Let's see.
I mean,
that does look good. That does look really good. You're telling me.
So, I'm biased because this is the first pastrami I've ever had in here. But man, it melts in your mouth.
Okay.
The meat just melts in your mouth.
All right, so first the pickle. Tastes like a regular kosher pickle. That don't taste homemade at all. Everybody knows it. That's pretty good. That's pretty good.
Hold your score. Hold your score if you got any initial thoughts.
That's real good. That's pretty good. That one's gonna be tough to beat. All right, third and final stop on the tour. We're in at Wexler's somewhere. I don't even know where it is. It's a pretty nice area though. Pretty nice area. So without further ado, let's get in there and get this done. This is Wexler. That's it.
What do you think? It's got that rye. It's got that,
Looks
that
good.
mustard.
Looks good.
Looks pretty damn good.
Alright, go. What say you?
It's the barkiness we have. Really good bark. Good smoke flavor. Saving a score.
Smells good. Looks good.
First thoughts?
I think they put more time into smoking in here. I don't know. Let me taste this. I like it. That's good. It's good. Alright, so we're out here at Venice Beach. We just got done doing a little walking around. Just had to run off some of this pastrami, and the verdict's in. So Doug, tell me what your top 3 are.
My top 3 are gonna be Wexler's, Johnny's, and then Magee's.
Magee's wins.
Magee's wins.
Magee's wins. Wexler's 3rd. Johnny's 2nd.
That's it. That's it for me.
That's actually mine too. I thought that Wexler's meat was a little bit dry. It's probably a little bit old. The bread was a little bit old. It just kind of felt that way to me. Had good flavor. Just tenderness was shot.
One there.
Johnny's, absolutely friggin' loved it, man. It was great. But it's just a little bit different of a sandwich. Not traditional when it comes to pastrami. But man, you talk about one hell of a midnight Friday sandwich, or early Saturday morning, just when you just need something to pick you up and pull you out. But for me, it was Magee's, man. Now, out of that being said, we know Magee's is the top on the West Coast. Katz is top on the East Coast. For that, who do you take?
Look, they're both super good, but I'm going with Magee's. It's just super tender, melts in your mouth. That's my style.
Oh,
it's personal preference.
Makes my eyes hurt.
I know.
Makes my eyes
I know.
hurt. For me, it's Katz all the way. Katz all the way. You could clearly tell that Magee's was knocking off Katz. They even, as a matter of fact, the sandwich that we ordered was called the Katz.
The Katz Meow.
The Katz Meow.
Katz Meow.
So look, feel, same colors. I mean,
yeah, 100%.
all the way down to their website. But I'm not going to take anything from Magee. They still put out a good sandwich.
Super good.
So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace.